Making money on Instagram involves leveraging your presence on the platform to generate income through various monetization strategies. Here are several ways to monetize your Instagram account. Become an influencer. Build a large and engaged following in a specific niche or industry and collaborate with brands for sponsored content, product placements, or affiliate partnerships. Brands pay influencers to promote their products or services to their audience. Create sponsored posts. Partner with brands to create sponsored posts that promote their products or services. Ensure that sponsored content aligns with your audience's interests and maintains authenticity to preserve trust with your followers. Sell products or services. Use Instagram to showcase and sell your products or services directly to your audience. Set up an online store, promote your offerings through engaging content, and leverage features like Instagram Shopping to facilitate purchases. Offer coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a particular area, offer coaching or consulting services to your followers. Use Instagram to share valuable insights, attract clients, and promote your services. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from other brands through affiliate marketing. Share affiliate links in your posts or stories and earn a commission for each sale or conversion generated through your referral. Monetize Reels. Create engaging and informative Reels content and monetize it through Instagram's partner program, where you can earn a share of revenue from ads displayed on your videos.